You see them on menus, posters, packages, even on TV screens. Those little black and white squares called QR codes. But what are they actually doing? And how can your phone turn a fuzzy square into a website, a message, or a payment in a split second? Let's break it down in a simple way. Think of a QR code as a tiny data puzzle. Instead of using letters and numbers written in a line, it stores information as a pattern of little black and white squares, called modules. When you open your camera or scanner app and point at a QR code, your phone first looks for 3 big squares in the corners. These are the finder patterns. They tell the phone, "Hey, this is a QR code, and here's how it is lined up." Because of those corner squares, the code can be sideways, upside down, or at an angle, and your phone can still figure it out. Next, the phone finds the small timing patterns, the dotted-looking lines that run between the big squares. These help it measure the grid, like drawing graph paper over the image, so it knows exactly where each tiny square should be. Inside that grid is where the real data lives. The pattern of black and white modules represents bits, the basic units of digital information. Groups of bits are turned into numbers or characters using a standard plan, kind of like a secret but shared alphabet. There is also something very clever built in: error correction. The QR code does not just store the raw data once, it adds extra math-based backup data. That means if part of the code is smudged, scratched, or covered, your phone can still rebuild the original message. Once the phone has read and decoded all those bits, it knows what the QR code wants to do: open a link, show text, add a contact, join Wi-Fi, and so on. All of that happens so fast you barely notice. To you, it feels like magic. Underneath, it is just smart pattern design and a lot of tiny squares. If you want to explain ideas this clearly in your own videos, you do not need to be a tech or design expert. Head over to vidfactory.ai and create your own animated explainer videos in just a few clicks.